We've been in the building for a long time, so Junior and I built this fire in our fire pit.
Remember being at the cottage and we found that log, the hollow log, and stood it up on the fire? A couple years ago at the cottage, Kevin and I found this hollow log and we threw it on the fire pit and it dazzled us all night long.
That hollow log was the coolest thing.
It's basically a wooden chimney. It burns itself and it shoots fire out the top.
It'd be nice to have something like, woo, crazy, like a giant pillar of fire.
Last year we built a box for a project that just didn't work out. We decided it might be perfect for our needs, so we pulled it out of the junk and threw it on top of the fire. It didn't take long for things to get going. Kevin was still screwing it down when flames started shooting out of the top. Holy! And it turned into an inferno. It was a little larger than I had expected.
I think we're gonna meet the fire department tonight.
Look at the sparks, holy cow.
Oh, Kevin basically lit on fire. He was wearing fleece.
Oh, I got it right through my shirt. I got holes in all my clothes. Oh, I'm burning.
So he's got burn holes all through his sweater. Here, bend over. The sparks flying. They could probably see it from space.
Excellent. It's like a snowing fire.
It was probably a little more real and a little more dangerous than we're used to. That was really cool, but I think next time we go
bigger.
With like, you know, if you get a big flaming tower fall on you, you're gonna get hurt, you're gonna get burned. Oh, check it.
What a raging fire. We might have a new hobby.
The stakes were a bit real, but yeah, we made it. Stuck it on my fingers. Should we try it again with the Hardie board that we have?
And that's a bit monstrous.
We had a bit of a Hardie board left over from our siding project.
That's a better size.
It's meant to be fire resistant, so we kind of wanted to put that to the test. We stuck it together into a chimney and put a fire underneath it and threw some wood in to see what would happen. It's on fire now.
Whoa, don't look that bad.
And it performed pretty well. Well, we'll see how fire resistant this stuff is now.
That's okay.
Really cool.
Doesn't seem... What the heck was that?
Eventually it started to pop. It made a few kind of explosive sounds, which were frightening. What is going on there?
Pretty scary. It almost sounds like a gunshot.
Yeah.
Forget about it. And I don't think it's dangerous, but it sounds dangerous.
This is concrete, so there's probably a bit of water in there. You know what I mean?
And I think what's happening in there is there's little bits of water in it, and it popped and exploded.
Good stuff to build your house out of if you don't want to go up in flames.
The Hardie board didn't burn at all.
I'd put it on my house. Everything else would be burned before that. It was just kind of a test to see what that product would do.